Sit na lang sa dito. Nakantantay ko sa inyo.
I'm trying to get back to something that I've lost. There are places you can never.
Bakit ngayon ka ba nagsabi sa kanya?
Hapon ako nagsabi.
Are you still
Ba't ka nga? Cebu ka rin?
can I show that appreciate?
Ay, hindi. Ay, ano, mag-layover ka? Ay, katay ka pala.
What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling?
So, nandito kami sa terminal. Doon tayo, oh.
How can you hurt me?
Terminal doon.
But you were still on my mind. Who said time will heal?
Antay pa ng flight, guys. Tibiin. So, ano pa? 11:35 ka na. Ano po ang malapit sa ano, saan ba tayo? Malapit pa tayo na ano, upuan na malapit. Doon siguro. Sa 9 pa. Tapos yung flight na sinasabi is 11:35. Yung nasa ano. Naka-Arabic. Kasi nag-delay sa Metro 10 at 10:10 naging ano siya. So, good luck.
Never say never, but what we had was unforgettable. What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your face is how can you?
Nandito kami sa taas. Antay kasi nga TBA yung flight. So, bababa kami ng 28. Kung makikita natin. Wala, pinaglalaroan na kami nito. Alas, ano na, kalapit 9:30 na ng gabi. So, tulog na yung mga tao sa Pinas. D3, kasi nandun yung ano namin. Hintayin pa. Yan. Number namin is D3. Pero yung ano namin is 10:10 pa. Hindi ka makapag-charge? Baka hindi on. Nandun yung gate namin. So, yung boarding namin in 10 minutes, mag-boarding na daw. 1 ko. So, yung sabi 10 minutes, mag-boarding na. So, ano nag-time check, 11 something. As nakaano na kami, napunta na kami aeroplano plans. Tagal naming nag-ampay. Kasi ano pa ako dito, 7 something, nandito na ako sa airport. Then, daming delay nila. So ngayon, ano na. Gabi na, ano na, malapit ng 12 ng gabi. Yung bagahe namin nandun na sa Pinas. Kami nandito pa sa DXB. Ano siya? Malapit na kami sa katotohanan, guys. Malapit na kami sa Pinas. Saan akong Pinas? Sa terminal. Sakit ng ulo. May connecting pa ako ng Butuan. Init kayo, init. Malay na itong buhok. Mura na pa tayo yung tuyong.
Once again, it's 558 787 Cebu Pacific Airbus 321 CEO. That service destination is Butuan.
Your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air.
Was in a
To
dream.
release air.
Why am I wishing that you were there?
Is immersed in water.
Is it a nightmare?
Inside
It's like I'm trying to get back to something that I've lost. Oh, you have shown me there are places you can never go back to. Are you still there? How can I show that appreciate? What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your faces that I've never seen. How can you hurt me? Time goes by, but you were still on my mind. Who said time will ease? Who said time will ease the pain? Time goes by, but am I still on your mind? Bitterness that I feel is tasting like a
Isip na sa Butuan. Dubai pa yung oras. 5:09. Sunset.
Was in a dream. Loved each other. Feels like illusion. I felt so close that we were forever inseparable. Never say never, but what we had was unforgettable. What is that you were doing? What is that you were feeling? Your face was Who said time will heal? Who said time will ease the pain? What do they know? Time goes by, but am I still on your mind? Bitterness that I feel, tasting like a lemon.
Dia orang kampung ko.
Oh,
Bata to, dia orang kampung.
grade 9.
Ya bye-bye.
No.
Ano?
Pero karong grade 10 sa unahan kay.
Ano gimaya, ano gimaya.
Bye-bye, pwede na maligo.
Oh. Bye-bye yung pero sa kon.
Na tubig niya nga pang kwan.
Oh, na CR mo nda.
Pagtungan.
Ewan na rin. Ito rin buwan.
Na video unahan no.
Anong gasolina niya?
Wala lagi lay ba kayo? Di man dili man dali mo don.
Ay, layo na.
Ay nga.